Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable voice typing in Google Keyboard. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So if I go to the search and it will enable the Google Keyboard, here as you can see there is no option for voice typing. So how I'm going to enable it, all you need to do is to tap on the setting icon here, and from there you need to just scroll down where you will find the voice typing. So you need to tap on voice typing, and here all you need to do is to enable voice typing. So once you tap on that one, if you want to faster voice typing, you can enable this one as well. And now I will go back to WhatsApp and open any chat for you. So once you tap on the message writing option, it will enable the Google Keyboard, and here you will find now the option of voice typing. So all you need to do is to tap on that one. As you can see, it is listening right now, and it will, whatever it listen, it will change it into typing. As you can see, it is typing right now. So guys, this is all it takes to enable voice typing in Google Keyboard. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.